With the ever-increasing demand for battery backup, reliable, safe, and flexible energy storage solutions are at the center of every home and outdoor enthusiast's attention. Today, we're introducing 3 multi-scenario battery backup solutions from SuperPack that can help you cope with all kinds of power outages and supply needs. The first product, a portable lithium battery designed for outdoor camping and mobile life. Compact body, high capacity output, compatible with USB, Type-C, AC, and other interfaces, can simultaneously support lighting, projection, mobile refrigeration, and other power needs. The battery core adopts high-energy density lithium iron phosphate, which is stable and safe, and some models also support solar panel charging, truly realizing off-grid power supply. The second, the SuperPack, is an emergency portable power station for the home. With a larger capacity and multiple output ports, it's more versatile and suitable for powering TVs, computers, Wi-Fi routers, lamps, and other household appliances during short power outages. While this type of device is slightly larger than a camping battery, most models come with a wheeled base or carrying handle for easy mobility around the home. It can also be paired with solar panels for daily charging and partial energy independence. These emergency power stations are a very practical option for families who value stability and want to avoid power outages. The third product to consider is the balcony solar battery storage system for city dwellers who lack patio or roof space but still want to explore green energy storage solutions. These units are typically medium-sized and can be paired with small solar modules mounted on a balcony or patio. They store energy during the day and provide power at night, providing a steady stream of electricity for cell phones, night lights, and small appliances. Featuring continuous charging and usage, these systems increase energy efficiency and reduce reliance on the grid, resulting in lower monthly electricity bills. This is an affordable entry-level energy storage solution for those who are environmentally conscious and live smart. While each of these 3 battery types has its own advantages, they have different use cases and functions. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, keeping your home safe, or advancing green living in the city, SuperPack has a backup energy storage solution you can trust. Feel free to contact us for a customized energy solution and collaborative quote.